Hey, welcome back to the SME. This week, we're going to be working with photo-etched pieces. These can be challenging. They're thin pieces of metal. Sometimes you need to bend them, sometimes you just need to clip them off and glue them on. So let's walk through the steps that I take to prepare the pieces and then paint them and then polish them and then attach them. Stay tuned and we'll get with it. Okay, so most times photo-etched pieces have a clear film on the top and bottom, and that's to keep all the pieces in place. I'm going to take this top layer off for now. I'm going to be grabbing these two pieces here. What they are for the brake pedals. Yeah, there we go, 3 times. And I'll take my hobby knife and I'll cut the metal fret. It's hard to tell, but there's actually a lip on it where I cut it off. And I know that you're never going to see this, but I'm going to take a Tamiya diamond file and I'm just going to trim just a little bit. Nothing looks more sloppy than photo etched pieces with a tab still on them. So this one actually says something on it. Tilton. And this goes on the brake and the clutch pedal, which is here. So it's just going to go on the face of the clutch pedal and the brake pedal. This is a stick with some carpet tape on it. I like to mount photo etched pieces to it so that I can paint them. And I'll put these little pieces on though. Because I'm going to paint these black and then I'm going to polish the pieces off, and then we'll see just a little bit of silver. Alright, we're in the spray booth. Normally I use the 0.5 needle gun. I'm going to change it today. This gun has a 0.2 needle for more precise work, because I'm going to be putting on mist coats onto the photo etched pieces. I'm going to be using Tamiya X18. This is very thin. I've been thinning this model for a long time, so the paint is ready to go right out of the bottle. Spoon. Yeah, it's ready. Start with the windshield wiper. Looks like I'm laying paint on, but since this is a 0.2, super thin coat. This is a 2000 grit. Flip it over. Hey, that's good too. I'm going to use some super glue. Just a drop will do. Then we're going to use our wax pencil to pick these things up with. And we'll place it. Let's straighten that out. And there we have it. Some things like these electric boxes need to be cut out and then bent, folded into a shape. So these are boxes when you're finished. So we'll cut these out. This is some thick photo etched. They don't really want to cut. So I cut one side and then bend back and forth until the other side breaks. That side. All right, grab our diamond file and look for the rough edge. You see it right there? Same thing over here. All right, so you can see that there's lines in there. Those are the fold lines. So we can take some tweezers and just start folding. In there. I think I'll run a wash in there and then just sand it instead of painting the whole thing. And there we have 3 built electronics boxes. Look, it even says Dangerous and Bosch on it. Pretty cool, huh? So what do you guys think? It's not as bad as you thought. If you have any other tricks for me, I do have these Tamiya Photo-Etched scissors, but the Photo-Etched that I was working with is much too thick for these. I tried it and it was, they wouldn't work. They're just not strong enough for that Photo-Etched. I have a friend that had, I think it was Xuron was the brand, and he would snip right through the Photo-Etched trees and everything, but I don't have any of those. Having the Tamiya diamond edge file is a must-have, as well as the wax pencil. This definitely helps to place things because the glue won't stick to this. Good tweezers. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and have a great day. Thanks, bye. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone, bye.